the camera. Okay, so I'm explaining skill 10. So you choose your values. So like Natalie has these values over here. So the way you figure out your vector is that it's your magnitude times the cosine of the reference angle. And so that equals, so like when you're trying to find u arrow, and you're trying to find that vector, it would be the magnitude times the cosine of your reference angle, and then your y-coordinate would be your magnitude times the sine of that angle. And then like the same thing can be done for like the vector v. Instead, you'd use 15 as your magnitude here in this example. And so like that's kind of how you start off the problem, because you have to first calculate u and v. So now first, for part A, which is the addition of the two vectors, you would just add the x-coordinates that you got and the y-coordinates together. So here in this example, it would be 6 root 3 plus negative 15 over 2, comma 6 plus 15 root 3 over 2. And then for the magnitude, I basically used Pythagorean theorem because I kind of took this picture and I sort of rotated it to get this triangle in between, so that the a value would be the x-axis and the y, and the b value would be the y-axis. And I used the Pythag theorem. And then for the direction, I just solved for I used like the inverse of tan to get like the degrees. And essentially I had to add like pi over 6 at the end, which is my angle here, because I just rotated the triangle. And so that's kind of how you start off the problem.